This is the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 carpet cleaning machine. Overall, it's a pretty good product. It works very well. It's a lot higher quality than a lot of like the vacuum cleaner looking rug cleaners. I have one of those as well, but this is my preferred machine. I use it around the house quite a bit, especially like during the spring and summer once the weather kind of warms up a little bit and I can open up the windows so that it can dry the carpet. But it's really pretty simple to use. This tank is the wastewater, and then it's where all the wastewater goes, sucks up all the dirt and such. There's the filter in there. It's all very easy to disassemble and clean. The clean water goes in here and it squirts out the bottom onto the carpet. This top red button is for the spray. So if you want to spray water out, you push that, and then when you're not pushing the button, it will suck up the water. So it tends to work best in short little bursts and just do short little passes. Very easy to use, very simple, high quality, good machine overall. Would recommend. Thanks.